Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be guiding you through how to log into MyEtherWallet application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open MyEtherWallet application from your app drawer. If you've recently logged out of your wallet, then every time you open up the app, you will then be prompted to enter your PIN code. If you don't remember your PIN code, get help by tapping on Forgot PIN at the bottom right hand corner. Then it'll show you the option to reset your wallet. Tap on Reset Wallet and follow through the prompts. But remember that in order to recover your wallet, you will need to enter your recovery phrases. But if you remember your PIN code, simply type it down with the help of the keypad, and there you will be able to unlock your wallet or log into MyEtherWallet app again. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.